Hello, good day. Today we're going to discuss how to wire PLC. In this exercise, we're going to do a series circuit from line 1 going to the top side of the toggle switch number 1, and from the other side of the toggle switch number 1 going to the top side of the toggle switch number 2, and on the bottom side of the toggle switch number 2 going to the input card of our PLC, which is input 0. And for our output, we're going to supply it from line 1 going to the VAC of the output, and for the load from our output 0 going to our motor, the other line, and for the other line it's going back to neutral to complete the circuit. Hello, good day everyone. This is part 2 of our PLC wiring and programming. In our last session, we wired this PLC, and if you miss it, just find in the link. I will put in the link in the description, and I will put this on the playlist so that every exercise about this PLC you will see. This part is about establishing communication after we wire. So we are going to use this Allen Bradley 1747 CP3 cable with USB to RS232 converter. I will put the link of the converter if you want to buy this type of cable when you are going to connect SLIC 503, and I will put also in the link what type of cable. For example, if you are using SLIC 501, SLIC 502, and SLIC 504 and 505. We have another one here. This is 1747 UIC to DS485 and RS485. So this is RS232 or DS485. You're going to connect it here. So just like serial cable, and you're going to click down the switch. If you are using DS485 or RS485, you need to switch this one here. So you need a RS485 cable or DS485. But for the moment, I'm going to use this cable. But later on, maybe next video, I'm going to use this type of driver to connect, to communicate with the PLC and the software. But for the moment, I'm going to use this 1747 CP3 with a USB converter. Let's do it again. Let's do it now. I will put this 7 here. Connect that one, and this one I will connect it on my laptop to establish communication. After you connect the USB on your computer port or laptop port, you are going to start establishing communication by searching device manager. So it's here. You just want to know which COM port serial cable that is connected. We go to device manager. From device manager, we go to ports, and let's see which ports. So it is COM3. So after that, we can minimize this one. And now we're going to open the RS links. The RS link is the driver between the PLC and the RS Logix 500 software. So we're going to open this one. After that, you can click this double headed snake, or you can go communication. Then after that, configure drivers. I already have this running, so what I'm going to do, you can click here, then click stop, and let's delete this one, and let's do it another one. Just click this available driver type, there's a drop down list. Then you are going to find RS232DF1 devices. So if we are using the UIC, you are going to use this. Which one is the UIC here? Here, DH485 UIC. If you are going to use the other one, but this one we are using a DF1 RS232 DF1 devices. Add new, and you can rename, but it's okay. And after that, it says here comp3 from our device manager. After that, just go auto configure. So now auto configuration successful. So just click OK. So that means we already established communication between the PLC and the RS Logix 500 software. We can just close this one and minimize this one. Now you can open the RS Logic 500 software. So after you open, so if you have an existing project on your PLC, you can just go to comms, then upload the project. So since I already have a project, I'm going to click upload. But if you are going to start from the scratch and you don't have program on your PLC and you're going to start, program, you just click file, new, or you can click this one. It's the same. It starts here. My processor is 1747L532CD SLIC 503. So here's SLIC 503. This one, then okay. After that, you already have a rank, so you can click here. The next thing you are going to do, you are going to add input and output cards of your input-output configuration. So you need to click here. This is our SLIC 503 processor. It is located on slot 0 of our rack, PLC rack. We are going to add now our input card. So we have an input card. Our input card is 1746 IA16. So this one, 120 volts AC. So we have two input cards. Click this one, and our output card is OA16, 1746 OA16. This one. After that, you are going to close. It's already been there. It is 4. After that, you can create a program. I'm here.